Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about factory design pattern. So in my previous video, I just given an overall outlook of design patterns and what are the various design patterns available right now, and it's include the four types: creation, structure, behavior, and J2EE patterns. So today what we are going to do is we are going to show how we will do the factory design pattern. So basically the factory design concept is creating a new instance. We will have a factory class that will create a new instance of different types. So we will have a different types first. So the first thing that we need to create is we need to create an interface. So it's a basic interface, and we will have some classes based on that interface. So basically it's a subclass of that particular type. So I will here I already create a vehicle class, vehicle interface. It's I have one method try. So what I am going to do is I will create a different classes like car or something like truck, whatever. It implements this interface vehicle. Okay, so we are here. We need to implement the overriding method here, and I did here. So what I'm going to do is I just print out this one. So inside this one I will print like I am driving my car. Okay, so I created one class, then I need to create another class that may be a truck, and it's implement the same method. And I need to implement the same method here, drive, and I'm using the same one with just mentioning truck. So one thing I would like to mention here, if we are going through the factory design pattern, we can see session factory. Session factory, what they are doing is, what that particular class is doing is, it's managing the session object. So like that, here we are doing our custom factory class. So I guess we are okay right now. We need only two classes that's needed, and I save that one, and inside this one I will create another one, factory testing or something. Okay, so we reach factory testing, and what we are going to do is basically I need to change this one because we are implementing the factory, so it should be good to have a name like vehicle factory or something. Okay, I modified that into vehicle factory, and here what I'm going to, I should have a method here. So the method should be public, and it should return vehicle, get vehicle. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, oh sorry, it should be vehicle. I'm copying from somewhere, so I put animal here. Okay, so here vehicle equals now. it will return null, or else we will go to if vehicle in no case, and it should be equal to car. Then what is going to happen is it will return new car. Yeah, we have car class here, so I am returning that. And next one, I'll save this one is truck. I will return another one. Return new truck. Okay, so actually I need to return something here. You probably return null. If nothing satisfied, then I will return this one. So this is all about the vehicle factory. So basically we cannot have a static void method here, because vehicle factory is sole purpose is to provide the vehicle object. So anyway, I'm implement here to show how it will work. So I'm creating a vehicle factory object here. Vehicle factory, new vehicle factory, and using that vehicle factory, what I'm going to do is I need to get some couple of vehicles. Where vehicle one, new, no, I can use new vehicle here. That's why there's whole purpose of creating a factory method. So get vehicle truck, vehicle 2, then what I'm going to do is I will call that drive method. Okay, now I am running that one to make sure our factory is working properly. Yeah, it will take a couple of minutes to build this one. Okay, so I create truck here, I create car here. So the factory class take care of creating the new instance based on our parameter. So that's a factory design pattern. So that's it about factory design pattern.